Hey guys, it's Brandon with Rustic Lumber Store. We have an exciting announcement to tell you. Last year we started creating our own brand of epoxy. This year we're in the process of building a furniture store, creating furniture oil, a finish coat, and so much more. As a way to continue our expansion of the company and to provide extra assistance to our woodworking community, we're excited to reveal the Rustic Lumber Network. We believe in giving back to our workers. The woodworking community is a small, niche community that, in recent times, continues to expand worldwide by the day. Woodworkers can be seen locally or online, developing their craft and taking on newer projects. We at Rustic Lumber Store want to help give you a place to grow your craft and help expand even further while also giving you some extra money to help fund those special projects, which is why we've launched our affiliate program. The Rustic Lumber Store affiliate program allows workers to receive commission off of orders placed with us through their referral link. By enabling clients or audience members for influencers to select their slabs or products on our website, for each sale made through your referral link, the worker, depending on which tier you are, will receive a percentaged commission. Tier 1 gives each worker a 3% discount. This is for anyone who signs up for the program, no purchase required. This is our thank you for joining the network. Tier 2 is designed for the influencer. Influencers with more than 10,000 followers on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook will receive a 5 to 8% commission on all purchases made through their referral link. Tier 3 is designed for our loyalty workers and our bulk buyers. This has been broken up into 3 parts. Part 1 is a 20% discount on all rustic lumber products and woods. Buy one of the following: 600 board foot of wood, 20 boxes of epoxy, or $500 of our wood oil or other products. The commission through your referral link will be 5%. The second stage is 25% off of all rustic lumber products and woods by buying 2 of the following: 600 board foot of wood, 20 boxes of epoxy, and $500 of our wood oils or other products. This tier as well gets a commission of 5%. For those who are going all out, we have a 30% discount on all rustic lumber products and woods, and become a permanent distributor requiring all 3 steps: 1,000 board foot of wood, 40 boxes of epoxy, and 1,000 of our wood oil or other products. Commission is upgraded to 10% on all sales made through your link. For more details on becoming a distributor, please contact us at sales@rusticlumberstore.com. All right, we're here with Em at her wood shop today. And what are we doing today?
Today you guys dropped off a whole pallet full of deep pour epoxy, Rustic Lumber Store epoxy, and then this bargain bin bur oak. So
Nice. So what do you got plans with? You got all the epoxy now.
Yep.
You got all that epoxy right on over there. And then we've dropped off this nice oak. What are the plans? What do you got going on with it?
So this oak is already set up for 2 projects. First project is a dining room table set. So it'll be a dining room with an island river rock kind of vibe that I just did with that Perota slab. And it'll have a matching bench and then also a matching coffee table. So 4 of these slabs are going to be used for that. And then I have another client that wants a single waterfall leg with 1 metal leg console table. And yeah, so that's what this is gonna be. I've got another black walnut table that's gonna go down to Florida, which I'm super excited about. It's gonna be a hexagon shape, which is super unique. And then it's gonna have this sweet slatted base. It's an interior designer in Florida actually designed it, and I'm building it, so I'm super jazzed about that. It's gonna be something totally different than what I usually do.
In the description below, you will find links to fill out the application to join the program. After filling out the form, someone will be contacting you within 2 to 5 business days about your application status. If you have any further questions about the program, sponsorship, and more, please feel free to contact us via email. We aim to provide our workers with the tools and resources to help build and grow their business to a new level. We look forward to building a partnership between our workers and cannot wait to see all the beautiful works of art that will come. Thanks for watching.